Hello everyone, welcome to our course, Excel Fundamentals Quick Start Guide. My name is Duncan and I'll be working together with you on the materials in this course. If you want to be an efficient finance professional, you need to be great at using Microsoft Excel. You could be working in investment banking or equity research, financial planning and analysis, corporate development, wealth management, or risk management. Regardless of the specific role, you'll find that most finance professionals spend a good portion of their day working in Excel. That's why strong Excel skills are so critical for any job involving financial analysis or financial modeling. This course is designed to start from first principles with the basics of Excel. We'll start by describing the advantages of using the keyboard to operate your computer, and we'll go over some of the most common keyboard shortcuts that can help you improve your efficiency. We're going to take you through the main parts of the Excel interface and show you exactly what they're used for. Then we'll move on to the Excel settings and show you the settings that we recommend here at CFI. We're also going to show you where to find and set up the quick access toolbar in Excel and how you can use that to further increase your speed with the keyboard. Finally, we're going to show you some of the most common features of the software that get used by finance professionals around the world. This course is designed to be very interactive. We've provided an Excel template for you to download so that you can follow along with us every step of the way as we do the exercises. We've also provided you with the summary sheet that we're bringing up on the screen right now. You may find that it's a very useful guide to reference as we progress through the course. In fact, you may even find it useful after the course is finished for continuing to learn keyboard shortcuts. Working through the exercises that we've prepared in this course will really help you improve your knowledge, confidence, and proficiency with Microsoft Excel. This will really help you prepare for some of the work that you're going to encounter in your finance career. We have a ton of exciting material packed into this course, so let's dive in and get started. So let's quickly go through the main learning objectives for this course. First of all, we need to be able to identify the main parts of the Excel 365 interface. What this is going to enable us to do is know exactly where to go on the interface to get things done really quickly. Another important thing that you're going to be able to get out of this course is starting to understand the keyboard. There's a huge advantage to using the keyboard. It can help you move much more quickly and efficiently on the computer. So we're going to introduce you to it and also help you to memorize some of the most common keyboard shortcuts. Microsoft Excel has hundreds of possible settings that you can configure. One of the advantages of taking this course is that we're going to show you how to focus on the most important settings that you need to set up for success in the finance industry. The other thing that we'll do in this course is show you how to set up the quick access toolbar. What this can do is it can further improve your speed and accuracy with the keyboard. Excel is a pretty sophisticated piece of software, and it can be a little bit overwhelming to look through the many features that are available. This course will really help you filter down through those features to focus on the ones that are the most common within the finance industry. And finally, Excel also has some more advanced features, but a lot of these can be really time-consuming to learn, and some of them not so useful. So in the course, we're going to filter down through them so we can focus only on the ones which are going to be the most useful for financial analysis. As I mentioned in the previous video, my name's Duncan, and I completed an undergraduate degree in engineering and a master's degree in finance. In the finance industry, I worked in capital markets, or more specifically, in equity research, as an analyst covering large public companies for about 10 years. One aspect of the equity research role that I really loved was the analysis. It was like being a detective and trying to figure out what was actually going on with the companies and whether or not they were going to be successful at executing some of their strategic priorities. All along the way, financial models were used heavily as tools to help me formulate opinions about the companies. After that role in equity research, I began teaching analysts and associates in investment banking and equity research teams at large financial institutions. I absolutely love teaching, as it gives me an opportunity to give back some of the things that I've been able to learn along the way. So Microsoft Excel has been a part of my everyday workflow for about 2 decades now. And what we always try to do with these courses is we try to teach you all the things that we wish we knew 20 years ago when we started. So the material that you'll see here in this course is identical to the material that gets delivered in those large training programs to financial institutions around the world. What we're really trying to do here is offer you the opportunity to see that same high-quality training content in an online format that you can easily fit into your busy schedule. Now, as we mentioned in the last video, we have managed to fit a ton of exciting material into this course, and we can't wait to share it with you. So let's jump in and get started. Now, let's talk here about why we would choose the keyboard over the mouse. As you can see, finance professionals use the keyboard over the mouse for a few different reasons. Number one, it definitely saves time. It allows you to perform tasks even faster and more efficiently. And also, it improves your agility, allowing you to move around more quickly and more easily. And finally, it's actually kind of fun. You're going to be learning a new skill, and you're probably going to really enjoy working much more efficiently. Now, what you need to do is think about yourself and your computer as a team working together. The computer's processor is very fast, and your processor, i.e. your brain, is also very fast. The slowest part of the whole system is the place where you interact with that machine. And if you're using the mouse for that interaction, you're taking much more time than you need to. If you swap it out and start using the keyboard, you're going to eliminate one of the key bottlenecks in your workflow and start moving much more quickly and more efficiently with the machine. So what we want to do here in this course is challenge you to not use the mouse. And in fact, even after this course, to continue to try to avoid the mouse or the trackpad and swap it out for the keyboard, which is so much more efficient. So switching over to the keyboard is definitely going to be slow in the short term, but it's going to be a much better investment in the long term. And like any other investment, you need to put in the time. We want you to start in this course and try only using the keyboard for the things that we're going to do. You're going to find it feels a little uncomfortable and even awkward, but we promise if you invest the time, you're going to come out of it being a much more efficient finance professional on Microsoft Excel.
Continue learning. Join CFI today.